Hi, you guys. Today you are working out of your decimal packet. This was a packet that I tried to utilize in class, but we really just ran out of time. We're going to start using this a lot at home, and obviously we'll be going over answers in class together. So please make sure you watch the whole video and pay attention. If you go to the beginning of your packet, it should look like this. It should say decimal of the day, and it should have a 1 in the top right-hand corner. You need to go through the packet, all the way through the packet. So notice it goes all the way through until you get to these pages that look a little bit different compared to these. These are our problem-solving ones that we'll be doing at home. And today you're going to do the one that says 2. So find the one that says decimals in the real world, page 2. And we're going to go through this together. Okay? Okay. So it says on all of these, you need to read this, do cubes, show your work, identify what operations you used, and explain how you find your answer. This is the work that I need to see no matter what. This is very important. We will be working on decimals for a while, so we need to get the hang of this, and I will be checking this for quality of work that you followed each step. I'm going to go through this one for the first time with you guys. So you are copying this down, but you are learning how to do this at the same time. Isaac has $30 in his wallet. So I'm going to draw Isaac, a little wallet with 30 bucks. And I'm going to circle 30. He buys gas for $10.45. So he bought some gas. So let's draw a car. He's in his car, right? And the gas was $10.45. A candy bar for $1.39. Candy bar, let's say it's Snickers. And that was $1.39. And a fountain drink for 89 cents. And then you got a drink for 89 cents. Write that correctly. Decimal 89. How much money does he have left? Oh, interesting. Okay, so I am Isaac. I go to the gas station. I get gas, a Snickers, or any candy bar, and a fountain drink. How much money do I have left in my wallet when I started with 30, but then purchased all of these items? So now that I've drawn a picture, I know what to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add up the total cost of all my expenditures at the gas station, which was $10.45 plus my Snickers bar or candy bar, which was $1.39. Now look how I add this. I line up the decimals. Remember, when we add or subtract decimals, you line them up. And then I have 89 cents for my fountain drink. So that would line up the decimal and go 89. So now I'm going to add up my total cost of all the things I spent money on. Now I need to add this up. So 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 5. So I go 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now I add this up. 1, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. And then I have a 1, and I bring down my decimal. So my total cost at the gas station, I spent $12.73. Remember, the question is how much money does he have left? I want to know the total amount that he has left. Well, I started with $30. That would be written like this. 30.00 minus how much I spent, $12.73. Notice I lined up the decimals, and now I'm going to go ahead and subtract these numbers to figure out how much money Isaac has left in his wallet. So here we go. I need to borrow. I can't do 0 minus 3, so I'm going to come all the way over to the 3, make it a 2, and then I'm just going to keep carrying it over until I can start subtracting. 10 take away 3 is 7. 9 take away 7 is 2. 9 take away 2 is 7. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Don't forget to bring down that decimal. So here's the amount Isaac has left in his wallet. So I drew a picture. I did cubes. I showed all my work. I lined up the decimals, so I did this correctly. Over here, it says, what operations did you use? These are operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If you did more than one, you're going to also check off the box for multi-step. Well, let's go back. I added to find out the total. Then I subtracted to find out how much I had left. So I added, subtracted, and it was a multi-step problem. Now I'm going to explain how I found my answer. This is the type of explanation I want every time. It's like you were teaching it to your younger friend or a younger sibling or someone in first grade. You need to explain it very basic, very, very carefully. I first found the total amount that I spent at the gas station. Then I subtracted that amount from the total. And that's exactly what I did. I found the total amount that I spent at the gas station by adding here. Then I subtracted that amount from my total amount of money I had in my wallet, and I found the answer. That is the type of sentence I'm looking for. It might take more than one sentence to explain that. So you need to make sure you have this correctly written down. This is your go-to example. We can write that here, go-to example of how I want you to complete all your decimal pages for these problem-solving ones. We're going to be doing this for a while at home, and you need to make sure you know how to complete the steps. So please make sure that you have all of this copied down. Let me make sure it's not blurry. There we go. So if you need to pause the video, make sure it's all nicely copied down, and then you'll know how to do this. Okay? All right, you guys, I'll talk to you later.